Restaurant English vocabulary. Restaurant. Restaurant. Menu. Menu. Dessert. Dessert. Beverage. Beverage. Drink. Drink. Waiter. Waiter. Waitress. Waitress. Chef. Chef. Cook. Cook. Table. Table. Chair. Chair. Order. Order. Check. Check. Fork. Fork. Knife. Knife. Spoon. Spoon. Plate. Plate. Glass. Glass. Cup. Cup. Napkin. Napkin. Condiments. Condiments. Salt. Salt. Pepper. Pepper. Sauce. Sauce. Soup. Soup. Salad. Salad. Bread. Bread. Dessert menu. Dessert menu. Takeaway. Takeaway. Delivery. Delivery. Vegetarian. Vegetarian. Gluten-free. Gluten-free. Host. Host. Hostess. Hostess. Dining area. Dining area. Kitchen. Kitchen. Order online. Order online. Appetizer platter. Appetizer platter. Grill. Grill. Roast. Roast. Pasta. Pasta. Pizza. Pizza. Burger. Burger. Sandwich. Sandwich. Wrap. Wrap. Seafood. Seafood. Steak. Steak. Chicken. Chicken. Beef. Beef. Lamb. Lamb. Rice. Rice. Noodles. Noodles. Vegetables. Vegetables. Sauce boat. Sauce boat. Pitcher. Pitcher. Jug. Jug. Water bottle. Water bottle. Lemon wedge. Lemon wedge. Tea. Tea. Coffee. Coffee. Juice. Juice. Dessert plate. Dessert plate. Condiment tray. Condiment tray. High chair. High chair. Booth. Booth. Candle. Candle. Tablecloth. Tablecloth. Serving tray. Serving tray. Order slip. Order slip. Takeout container. Takeout container. Napkin holder. Napkin holder. Check presenter. Check presenter. Utensils. Utensils. Condiment bottles. Condiment bottles. Bread basket. Bread basket. Appetizer. Appetizer.